It's turkey time. Welcome back to BEERGR. We took a trip out to one of our favorite places, Copley Fresh Start Farms, and we actually saw them raising all of these gorgeous turkeys, and we knew we had to get a fresh, pasture-raised, non-GMO, organic, no antibiotics, fantastic, beautiful turkey, and that's what we got. And today's actually the Thursday before Thanksgiving. So we are going to brine this baby overnight. You wanna do an hour per pound and a half. So we're gonna do it for about 27, 28 hours. And then we're gonna take it out of the brine. We're gonna set it on a drying rack and set it in the fridge and let it dry out overnight before we season it up, inject it with butter, and bake it and baste it with a honey glaze. Does that sound awesome? Yeah. I originally was going to fry this baby, and I'm like, you know what? I think we need to roast this beautiful bird to really get all of its 18 pounds of glory, juicy and roasty and just deliciousness with crispy skin. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. We need to wash this bird to get it ready for the brine. Let's go. Grab your favorite beer. You might be watching this on Thanksgiving Day. If you are, that's fantastic. That's why we're doing it early. So you're gonna see it done. You're gonna be watching it while you're doing your bird or your stuffing or your apple pie. And oh my gosh, I totally forgot. We're also going to make Chef Tom from atbbq.com. We're gonna make his apple streusel pie, apple custard streusel pie recipe that we did last year. We didn't film it last year, we just did it, and it's fantastic. Oh my gosh, you're gonna love it. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be a feast. And then we're also going to make our own homemade turkey broth, our homemade turkey stock. And we're gonna use that turkey stock in the gravy for the mashed potatoes, the stuffing, and we're just gonna save it because it is going to be delicious. Let's go.